Hello and welcome, food enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on an exciting culinary journey, exploring the realm of foods with zero carbs and sugar. Whether you're on a low-carb diet, managing diabetes, or simply seeking healthier options, join us as we dive into the world of delicious, guilt-free eats. The no-carb, no-sugar diet eliminates all carbs and sugar in order to reduce inflammation, heal the gut, and align our physiology with ancestral eating patterns. A no-sugar, no-carb diet is the most restrictive version of both keto and carnivore. What's more important than the percentage of carbs you're consuming is the quality of those carbs, says registered dietitian and Sugar Shock co-author Samantha Cassetti, MS, RD. The average American eats 126 grams of sugar a day, and it's likely that children consume even more. That all adds up over 100 pounds of added sugar for most people. When it comes to zero-carb, zero-sugar foods, the possibilities are endless. From nutrient-packed greens to protein-rich meats, and even sweet treats without the guilt, we've got it all covered. Number 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and lettuce, are nutritional powerhouses. Not only are they incredibly low in carbs and sugar, but they're also packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them an essential part of any healthy diet. Number 3. Assorted meats. Now, let's talk about protein. Lean meats such as chicken breast, turkey, and fish are excellent choices for those looking to cut carbs and sugar while maintaining muscle mass and energy levels. Grilling is a fantastic way to prepare lean meats without adding any extra fats or carbs. Simply season with your favorite herbs and spices, then grill until tender and juicy. Doesn't this look absolutely mouth-watering? Grilled chicken breast, zero carbs, zero sugar, and packed with protein to fuel your body and keep you satisfied. Number 2. Berries. Berries, nature's candy. Not only are they incredibly delicious, but they're also low in carbs and sugar, making them the perfect guilt-free indulgence. Let's put together a simple yet decadent berry parfait using fresh berries and Greek yogurt. Alternate layers of mixed berries with creamy Greek yogurt for a delightful treat that's both sweet and satisfying. Just look at those layers of goodness. With zero added sugars and a boost of antioxidants from the berries, this parfait is the ultimate guilt-free dessert or snack option. Number 1. Salmon. Registered dietitian and dressing on the side author Jacqueline London, MS, RD, says that all seafood is low-carb and says virtually everyone can benefit from eating more of it. Between 80 and 90% of Americans don't eat the recommended amount of seafood, which is 2 servings a week, she says. She recommends varying your seafood source to keep from getting bored, and therefore less likely to eat it regularly. Cassetti recommends salmon in particular. It's especially rich in omega-3 fatty acids, a type of fat that helps lower inflammation and protect against heart disease and potentially mood disorders, she says. And there you have it, folks, a tantalizing array of foods with zero carbs and sugar that prove healthy eating can be both delicious and satisfying. Whether you're craving something savory, sweet, or somewhere in between, there's a wide range of options to choose from. Thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure. If you found this video helpful, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more healthy contents.